For C, find the equation of the normal line. Where we already found in part B that the slope at x equals to -3 is 78. So normal means perpendicular. So my perpendicular would be 1 over 78. We have x equals to -3 and y equals to -36. So the equation of my normal y plus 36 equals -1 over 78, x plus 3. Okay, a particle moves along the x-axis. The position at time t is given by x of t. For what value of t is the velocity of the particle equal to 0? So remember that the velocity is equal to the derivative. So the derivative would be 16t minus 2. So we want to know when that is going to equal 0. We have 16t equals to 2, or t equals 2 over 16, which is 1 over 8. So at 1 over 8, the velocity is going to be equal to 0. 22. A particle moves along the line, so the position at any time t is given by the function s of t, where s is measured in feet in first feet and t is measured in second. Okay? Find the average velocity. So the average velocity in the first 2 seconds would be f of 2 minus f of 0 over 2 minus 0. That is your average velocity. It's your average derivative. So we're going to have 6 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 21 minus 6 times 0 plus 3 times 0 plus 21 all over 2. And that should get you 15 feet per second. The instantaneous velocity is the derivative. So we're going to find the derivative at 2. Which would be 27. Indicate units of measures. They're both feet per second. Okay. Just so you understand the difference between the average and the instantaneous. Okay. The 15 feet per second means that my particle in the first 2 seconds is moving an average of 15 feet per second. So sometimes it goes faster, sometimes it goes slower. The instantaneous velocity, that means at exactly 2 seconds, the velocity of the particle is 27 feet per second. It's not an average, it's an instantaneous at t equals 2 seconds. Okay, so we need to find the first and the second derivative. So the first derivative would be 15x to the fourth plus 20x to the third minus 8x plus 5. Okay, remember that these don't square the derivative. It means find the second derivative. So 15 times 4 is 60, x to the third plus 60x squared minus 8. And that would be my second derivative. Okay, the graph of the function is shown. Which of the following is true? Okay, so we have this. So f prime of 2 is defined. Okay, that would be not true. The derivative does not exist because it's not smooth. It has a corner. The limit as x goes to 2 from the left and from the right is 6. They are the same. It's true. So when I come from the left and when I come from the right, it's equal to 3, -3. F prime is less than 0 for all the open interval from -1 to 2. Okay, so what that means is that is my derivative negative. And remember, in order for it to be negative, the slopes have to be negative. So if you look at your equations here, you see how the slopes are all negative? So that is true. So 2 and 3 are correct.